Hi, my name is Whitney Sponsel. This presentation is for EDU 5373 and it will be over the Quickwrites strategy. The Quickwrites strategy is a strategy that helps to give students a certain amount of time to write. While you're doing the strategy, the students will have just a certain amount of time, so the teacher will want to set some kind of a timer as a way to keep track of that time that they've been writing. Students will be given a particular topic or maybe a focus to write about, and they're trying to write the entire time the timer is going. The purpose is to help build writing fluency and also help build the student's stamina with their writing. So how do you implement this strategy into your classroom? And the great thing about the Quickwrites strategy is that it is so versatile, and the fact that it can be used for just about any topic, any subject, and just a huge age range of for the students. You'll give the students a prompt or a topic, and before students start writing, you may want to have them verbalize or talk about that topic or prompt with a partner before they start writing to kind of get those ideas flowing. Quickwrites can be used to reflect on thoughts or new learning, and the timer can range from 2 to 3 minutes. If you think that your students may need less time or more time, you can adjust it as needed. Students can go back and edit their work if you choose to do that. Quickwrites can also be used to share and reflect with partners after they've done the writing. And another thing that you could add into the Quickwrite strategy is that they can go back and add a second Quickwrite after they have shared the first one with their partner. The one that I have the picture of is Quick Write, Quick Draw. So the students can spend a certain amount of time writing, and then after that time of writing, they can go back and draw about what they wrote. Here's some more examples. Like I mentioned, Quickwrites can be used in a variety of different areas and for a variety of different topics. The one is for just writing about a new flavor of ice cream. What do you think it would taste like, and what would it look like? There's another one with the subject on camping, and there's a word bank there for the kids to use as well. There's also just another idea or reminder about Quickwrites. They can listen to the prompt, give them some think time, and then they can write for around 3 minutes. Thank you for listening to my presentation.